If you're only selling during 1 or 2 holidays or no holidays at all, you're leaving big money on the table. Here's how I use holidays all year long to bring in maximum profits. Okay, so today in this video, this is going to be a longer and a slower video. I'm not going to rush through this one. So I want you to grab a piece of paper and a pen and maybe use your phone notes, rewind, pause frequently. I'm going to give you a lot of information in this video. This approach is ideal for anybody that's looking to have steady cash flow all year long in your laser business or in your business in general. So there's a few different reasons why aligning your business strategy with the holidays is going to land very well for you. So the first reason is they're more apt to make emotional purchases. People are more likely to buy customized, personalized, and seasonal items when it's around the holidays. And the reason why this is good for you is because holidays also bring in a built-in demand. So around that name, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, there's just an automatic demand that people are going to the stores, they're going online, they're looking on Amazon, they're ordering things all the time. That demand is almost automatic. It's like clockwork. People are always looking for that stuff. And then when you compare a seasonal or a holiday type item to a regular item, there's a higher perceived value. The perceived value goes way higher because just think about it. People love decorating in Christmas. So they're not going to go out and just get a wreath with just blueberries on it or something. They're going to get a wreath that's going to have mistletoes on it and presents and snowflakes and a Santa Claus and a random, like things like that. So then when you compare those two wreaths for the front door, the one with Christmas things with the Christmas theme is going to cost a lot more. So the perceived value is higher. Therefore, when you sell during a holiday like Christmas or Thanksgiving or Halloween, you're going to be able to sell your things for more money. And this strategy works for any laser product type. So it can be signs, door hangers, ornaments, anything. So this makes it very flexible for you. So here we're going to get into the consistent holiday game plan that's going to get you sales consistently throughout the year. Here we go. So first, I want you to grab a calendar. If you have a calendar anywhere, or just write down on a piece of notebook paper, write down all the major holidays. You got Christmas, Thanksgiving, Halloween, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day. Let's just start with those. Oh, and St. Patrick's Day. Let's start with those, okay? And then here is something else I want you to do. I want you to include the less obvious occasions too. So we have graduations, teacher appreciation days, back to school. Then we have the sub ones like Grandparents' Day, Siblings' Day, Boss's Day. The sky's the limit. There's so many of these holidays. So look, I want you to start with one holiday at a time when you do this, because it's going to be overwhelming if you try to do it all at once. But you're going to start with one and you're going to build on that. And I want you to plan ahead for each holiday. What you're going to do is start at a holiday, let's just say Christmas. And then when that happens, it's going to be a year from now. So let's put next Christmas in perspective. And we're going to deconstruct it and work backwards. What you want to take note of is when you're going to start promoting, producing, and designing your products. And if you're working towards building a brand that everyone's going to be familiar with and looking towards every year, year after year, consider building your own brand, a signature product. So when it comes to promoting your products, you want to try to create a buzz around your products. There's plenty of different ways to do seasonal promotions, but you can do like flash sales, limited time offers, limited product limit. You want to always be doing some kind of sale so that you can keep your customers engaged all year long. Something to keep in mind is you want to make sure that you're using a theme that's in line with that holiday. So think about the fonts, the colors, the packaging, things like that. You want to think about all of those so that it is in line with like Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving. So like for Halloween, the colors are orange, black, and white traditionally. And then with Christmas, you got red, green, white, gold, silver, things like that. This can all help you to enhance your packaging and enhance the perceived value of this product. One of the things that has really helped me a lot in my business is batch creating things and making templates. The templates are huge. I have these templates made, they're saved in a special file. And then when the next holiday rolls around, I just open that file up, I break it out. I'm able to just paste a name in there or paste another image in there or whatever it is. I'm able to just design it quickly and then get it printed out. And then remember this too, if you're not doing a personalized or customized order, then you can produce certain things in bulk. So if it's just an ornament that says joy or love or Mary or something, you can produce that. For your first time, you're just gonna have to gauge what you think it'll be. But for the year following a year that you just came off of, you kind of just have to think like, okay, did I sell 20 last year? Maybe I'll just create 25 this year. Okay, so these numbers, they really do add up quickly. So say this is Valentine's Day and you sell 100 pieces for $15. That equates to $1,500. That's $1,500 more dollars added to your revenue for that year. Think about it. I'm just going to ask you this question here. You just think about it. Did you sell anything on Valentine's Day last year? If you didn't, then you're missing out on at least $1,500. Now, when you add in all the other holidays and occasions, graduations, birthdays, grandparents' day, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day, think about it. I just named 6 of them there. Multiply that by 1,500. You could be missing out on thousands upon thousands of dollars. And I just want you to know that's one of the main reasons why I'm making so much. It's not that you can't do it, and it's not that I'm special. I'm no different than you. I just have a different knowledge of this stuff. But now you have it. You're watching this video. Now you have it. And all you have to do is take some focused action and be consistent, and you can do the same things and even more. So if you're using a holiday focused strategy, this is going to help you stay ahead of the trends. This is going to help you stay sharp, and it's going to possibly keep you from having slow seasons, because a lot of people, when they skip these holidays and they don't use these little celebrated holidays and these other occasions, then during that time period, they're not making any money. So this is going to help you stay consistent, and then you won't have so many peaks and valleys, and you won't have so many low seasons. Okay, so marketing for holidays, I think it's pretty simple, but right now I'm going to make it even more simple. I'm just going to give you the sauce right now. So timing is everything when it comes to this. So what you want to do, let's just start here at this starting point. Start promoting your products 4 to 6 weeks before the holiday. So that's about a month and a half. And that's going to give you time for all the early buyers and all the bulk buyers. It's going to give you time to create everything and get it made. Okay, next up, you want to leverage local and social medias. Okay, so when you leverage social media, you're going to be posting in groups. You can post on Marketplace. You can post on your personal page and then ask your friends to share it to their personal page. I'm telling you, this is so powerful. And one other avenue that I have that's special is I've been doing these fundraisers, and on each order form, I have the parents fill out their name, their email address, and phone numbers. So I have thousands of email addresses from those previous fundraisers, and I'm going to send them an email blast too when it's time. Let's take a little pause here, a little break. Let me know if you want to learn how to create an email list. Comment below. Now, one other thing you can offer is exclusivity. So this is going to be a little more rare, but just last year when Michigan beat Ohio State for the second time in a row, I created a 1-of-1 ornament, and it said Michigan victorious 2023. I posted that for sale for $30. It was a 4x4 ornament. It didn't really take much. I designed it from start to finish, but it didn't really take much work. It was made out of draft board. I used stain markers. I sold it for $30, but it was a 1-of-1. No other ones will be made. I do still have the template. I don't plan on making any more. Well, for one, because that football game happened in 2023. There will never be another 2023 game. And then also, I just want you to remember that there's value in collaboration too. So if there's other business owners and people who sell things that's similar to you, and make sure they're not a direct competitor, but they complement each other. You complement their business, they complement yours. So partner with them, collaborate with them. You can do events. You can do bundle deals, and then you can still do fundraisers. So you can partner with a lot of local businesses, and you can collaborate still, even if it's not a fundraiser. You can still collaborate with schools, businesses, and even event organizers, so then they can point you in the direction of people who are going to buy in bulk from you. Okay, so there's plenty of power in year-round selling when it comes to holidays and seasonal. And it's very powerful for your business. It'll keep your profits high. It'll keep your business steady all year long. Okay, so I have some homework for you to do. If you've made it this far, here's your homework. This is going to help you succeed in 2025. grab a calendar, and I want you to begin marking out all the holidays for the year, and then circle where you're going to start. Now, for the people who stayed here, here's another little gold nugget for you. This is a gift for you. Comment below if you'd like me to create a calendar or a list of all of the official and unofficial holidays throughout the United States. This is a big one. I already have it created. This is the one that I use. Comment below if you'd like me to make this available for you, because I'd love to get it in your hands. There's no better time to start than now. And there's no better time to sell than the holidays and seasonal. Thanks for watching. I hope this was highly valuable for you, and I hope that you take action on it. Let me know if you need any help. Bye.